Good morning again, guys. All right, today our book is about the Atlantic Ocean because as the weather starts to warm up, we'll hopefully be able to go swimming again in our ocean. So it's important that we learn a little bit about it. All right, let's get started. The Atlantic Ocean. Where in the world? Look at the map. Where is the Atlantic Ocean? Can you find North and South America? They are to the west. Now find Europe. It is to the east. Africa is below Europe. The Atlantic Ocean is in the middle. The Atlantic covers a fifth of Earth. The Atlantic is Earth's second largest ocean. Go with the flow. The Gulf Stream is a strong current in the Atlantic Ocean. It is fast and warm. It always takes the same path. Many animals ride the Gulf Stream. Fishermen know blue marlin follow the warm waters of the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream starts in the Gulf of Mexico. Then it moves up the east coast of North America and turns towards Europe. A sea and an ocean. The Sargasso Sea is in the Atlantic Ocean. Currents go in a circle around it. They set the sea apart from the rest of the Atlantic Ocean. Seaweed grows here. Baby turtles and eels often grow up here. It is shelter for many animals. The Sargasso Sea is the world's only sea inside an ocean. The Sargasso Sea is named for sargassum, the seaweed that floats there. Stormy weather. Hurricanes are big storms. They form over warm water near the equator. Hurricanes have strong winds. Sometimes they reach land. They bring rain, floods, and dangerous winds. Most North Atlantic hurricanes form from June to November. The doldrums is an area in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans with very little wind. The doldrums is near the equator. Looking cool. Look out! Icebergs are huge chunks of ice. They float in the ocean. The North Atlantic has many icebergs. They are a danger to ships. Icebergs that show less than 16 feet above the water are called bergy bits. Even small icebergs are called growlers. Icebergs travel with ocean currents. Islands can be mountaintops. What's that in the water? Is it an island, a mountain? It's both. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge. A ridge is a line of mountains. Most of these mountains are underwater. The tops of the tallest mountains are islands. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a part of the longest mountain range on Earth. The Azores are islands near Portugal. They are part of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Deepest point. The Atlantic Ocean's deepest point is called the Milwaukee Deep. It is near Puerto Rico. The Milwaukee Deep is more than 5 miles deep. The Milwaukee Deep is named after the ship that discovered it. Modern machines can travel into parts of the Milwaukee Deep. A healthy ocean. Many animals call the Atlantic Ocean home. Whales and dolphins live here. So do birds, seals, and turtles. Sharks and many other types of fish live in the Atlantic too. Mako sharks live in warm Atlantic waters. Many Atlantic fish and whales feed on plankton. Plankton are tiny creatures that float in the water. A good home. The Atlantic Ocean can be many things. It is big, it is surprising, it is full of danger, it is a good home. Many animals depend on the Atlantic Ocean. People do too. Let's take good care of it. The Atlantic Ocean was named by the ancient Greeks. It means Sea of Atlas. The Atlantic Ocean is more than 10 times larger than the United States. That's crazy. So here's some words in the glossary and some places where you can find out more about the ocean. All right, guys, your assignments on Dojo today. Have a wonderful Tuesday. I miss you all, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.